Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best iPad to buy in 2023? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best iPad are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5. iPad Pro 12.9 2022. When it comes to drawing up a list of the best iPads, the iPad Pro 12.9 must unquestionably sit the top. If the iPad is all about the big screen, the bigger iPad Pro is not only the biggest iPad screen, it's also the most advanced, using mini LED technology on the Apple XDR branded display. The latest iPad Pro also comes with an Apple M2 chip inside, meaning it's just as powerful as Apple's MacBook laptop range. The M2 gives you more capable graphics, plus faster memory access for high-end apps. Even with the list of additions, you still get a super thin and light design, too. It's an incredibly expensive tablet, and the price puts it in reserve for serious professionals who need all of that multimedia power. The new iPad gets advanced hovering capabilities in the pencil, and even a camera setup that can record Apple ProRes video. The iPad Pro 12.9 is truly unmatched. If you just want to watch movies and video chat with friends, this iPad is serious overkill. If you need the best of the best, though, there is only one to buy. At number 4. iPad 10.9 2022. The basic iPad 10.9 2022, a brand new version from Apple, is the second tablet on our list. This iPad can handle nearly everything that iPads can do well at a significantly lesser price, if you're not seeking for the greatest, most powerful tablet available. With the addition of a separately purchased keyboard cover, Apple has successfully transitioned the base iPad from its vintage, first-generation Air looks to an iPad Pro-inspired design, creating a high-quality, multi-purpose tablet that will appeal to the widest possible audience of users. While the price increase over the iPad 10.2 2021 is disappointing, and the lack of support for the Pencil 2 is simply incorrect, the iPad 10.9 more than justifies its price. It comes in a variety of brilliant colors, including a stylish pink and a strong yellow. At number 3. iPad Pro 11 2022. The iPad Pro 11 2022 is a very nice Pro tablet, but it isn't quite the same impressive bit of gear as the iPad Pro 12.9 2022. The 11-inch tablet lacks the better, brighter screen on the 12.9-inch iPad, and it does not use mini LED for dimming. It is still a powerful device, with a laptop-class Apple M2 chip inside. We think most graphics pros and others who want a Pro tablet will be better served by the admittedly much more expensive iPad Pro 12.9 2022. If that is too pricey, the iPad Air 2022 has a great look, and Apple Pencil 2 support as well. If you still need the Pro cameras and ProRes shooting that the Apple M2 chip provides, but want to cut some cost, the iPad Pro is a great tablet that looks and feels like Apple's best, just a bit smaller. At number 2. iPad 10.2 2021. The best budget iPad. The iPad 10.2 2021 is possibly the iPad with the best value at the moment. The 12MP ultra-wide selfie camera makes it fantastic for video conversations, and the True Tone display makes it more comfortable to use in a range of settings by dynamically changing based on the ambient light. It's not a significant improvement over the previous model, but it does have those advantages. This makes using the iPad 10.2 2021 outside especially enjoyable. We tested every iPad on this list, and we discovered that the 10.2 offers the best value for the money. It's true that it's not as effective for high-performance jobs as the Pro or as good for sketching and audio as the iPad Air, but it's also a lot less expensive. And even that is relative. We discovered that the iPad 10.2 seems easy to operate and has sufficient power for the majority of jobs when contrasted to a number of non-iPad options you might be considering. So long as you don't require the Air or Pro's extensive feature set, this is a fantastic option. At number 1. iPad Air 2022. We would suggest this iPad Air to anyone who were considering the iPad Pro but may not require all of its features. The tablet is extremely powerful and shares the same Apple M1 chipset as the iPad Pro 11 2021. It also has a comparable design, battery life, and accessory compatibility. The main differences are that it has less storage space and a smaller screen while it technically employs different technology. We doubt most users will notice this. If you're not a power user, you might find the Air to be a superior gadget. When we evaluated the devices, we didn't mind these differences the majority of the time. Students in particular are affected by this. People who wish to save some money will find the iPad Air to be ideal because it feels identical to the iPad Pro but is less expensive, despite the fact that many of the items down on this list are even more affordable. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.